I was fully expecting this to be a waste of time. Seriously. I opened Temu thinking I'd see the same thing I always see. A couple weak discounts, some average offers, and a bunch of promises that never really go anywhere. So I wasn't excited. I wasn't expecting some huge result. I was just curious. Then something happened that completely changed my mood. Before I started browsing, I activated the code on screen. And honestly, I only did it because I wanted to compare it against the random codes I'd been testing. Within minutes, the app started showing offers I'd never seen before, bigger coupon bundles, extra reward opportunities, stronger discounts, and a much more active free gift section. That's when I literally stopped and thought, wait, why didn't I see any of this before? Because compared to the random codes I'd been using, this felt like a completely different experience. The crazy part, nothing else changed. Same account, same app, same products. The only thing I changed was the code, and somehow that one change unlocked more rewards, better coupon deals, and noticeably stronger free gift offers. Now, am I saying I instantly got a mountain of free stuff? No, let's keep this real. But this was the first time Temu actually felt rewarding instead of random, and that's a huge difference. I even went back later and tested a few other working codes just to compare. And honestly, the difference was obvious immediately. Smaller discounts, weaker offers, less reward activity. That's when I realized most people aren't comparing good codes against bad codes. They're comparing random codes against random codes. Meanwhile, the code on screen was the first one I found that consistently unlocked. Better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, more reward opportunities, and a more active free gift experience all at the same time. So yeah, I was shocked. Not because I got something magical, but because one code made that much difference compared to everything else I tested.